This is regular preterite, and this is the lesson about stemchangers, so still considered regular preterite. Preterite is the past tense. These are our uses: fixed time in the past, interruption in the past, number of times in the past, start, stop in the past. Your regular conjugations are, for an AR verb, asteo, amos, asteis, aron. ER is iste, io. Imos, isteis, ieron. And today we're going to be using just ER endings. So, iste, io. Imos, isteis, ieron. So, in order to be a stem changer in the preterite tense, it must be an IR verb and a stem changer in present tense. I bet you can think of one that is an IR verb and a stem changer in present tense. If that is the case, then the verb will change either E to I or O to U in the basement only. Remember, the basement is the last two conjugations, which is the el, ella, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes. So, for example, the verb dormir, if we were normally conjugating it out, it would be dormí, dormiste, dormió, dormimos, dormisteis, dormieron, but this is an IR verb and a stem changer in present tense, right? It usually changes O to UE in present tense, which means it will change O to U, since our option is E to I or O to U. This is an O verb, O to U in the basement. So it will look like this when you conjugate it in the preterite tense. Dormí, dormiste, durmió, dormimos, dormisteis, durmieron. Here's another example. Vestirse, if we were to conjugate this out in the preterite tense, it would be me vestí, te vestiste, se vestió, nos vestimos, os vestisteis, se vestieron. But this is an IR verb and a stem changer in present tense, which means the E will change to an I in the basement. There it is. Me vestí, te vestiste, se vistió, nos vestimos, os vestisteis, se vistieron. Preferir, another example. Preferí, preferiste, preferió, preferimos, preferisteis, preferieron. That is not correct. It's very close, but it's an IR verb and a stem changer in the present tense, which means that E in the basement must change to an I. Okay. What about costar? Coste, costaste, costó, costamos, costasteis, costaron. Costar is a stem changer in present tense. Why doesn't it change O to U? Because it's an AR verb. So that one will not change. It's only IR verbs and stem changers. Okay? This one does not change. It's an AR verb. So what verbs stem change in the preterite? Only IR verbs that are stem changers in present. How do they change in the preterite? They will change E to I or O to U. Where does that happen? In the basement. Third person singular, third person plural.